Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Think fair play is just for sports? Think again. Stay tuned till the end to discover how the spirit of fair play can transform not just games, but the world around us. Now today's celebration, World Fair Play Day. Theme: honoring the spirit of sport. On this World Fair Play Day, we celebrate the values that fair play represents in the world of sport and beyond: honor, integrity, respect, and equality. Fair play is not just a concept limited to the playing field, it is a fundamental pillar of human interaction in society. Whether on the pitch, court, or in everyday life, fair play teaches us to compete with dignity, respect others, and uphold justice in all our actions. In a world where divisions can often appear insurmountable, fair play bridges those gaps, reminding us that true success is achieved not just through victories, but through the manner in which we compete. As we observe this special day, let us reflect on how the principles of fair play contribute to the unity, progress, and well-being of individuals, communities, and nations. Fair play in sport fosters better citizens, stronger nations, and a more peaceful world. The role of fair play in society and nation building. Fair play is more than a set of rules in sport, it is a powerful tool for nation building. It shapes individuals into leaders of integrity and respect, qualities that are essential for the development of any society. In a nation where fairness and equality are valued, there is a greater sense of trust, collaboration, and unity. As sport transcends borders and cultures, it serves as a universal language that unites people from all walks of life. Fair play promotes healthy competition, discourages corruption, and advocates for inclusivity and diversity. These values are essential in creating a society where everyone is given an equal opportunity to thrive. A commitment to fair play in sports creates a ripple effect, encouraging similar values in other areas of life, education, business, governance, and more. As we celebrate World Fair Play Day, we are reminded of how sports can help build stronger, fairer, and more harmonious communities and nations. Just a quick break. Please, if you are enjoying this, consider subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get updates on upcoming global events. Subscription is free. Welcome back. Testimonies of impact: how fair play principles have changed lives. Testimony 1. Sarah, a young athlete who learned the importance of respect. As a young athlete, I used to focus solely on winning, sometimes at the cost of respecting my opponents. After attending a fair play seminar, I realized that winning is not everything, it's about how you play the game. I started focusing more on showing respect to my teammates, competitors, and officials. My attitude transformed, and I noticed a shift in the way others interacted with me. Fair play has made me a better athlete, and more importantly, a better person. Testimony 2. Michael, a coach who promotes fair play among his team. As a coach, I have always emphasized the importance of fair play. Winning is important, but the way we win matters. I've seen firsthand how teaching my athletes to respect their opponents, play within the rules, and uphold integrity has helped them develop into respectful and responsible individuals. Many of them now carry these lessons into their personal lives. And it fills me with pride to know that fair play has not only helped them in their sport but in their day-to-day actions as well. We extend our deepest gratitude to the coaches, athletes, referees, officials, and volunteers who are committed to upholding the principles of fair play every day. Your dedication to fostering integrity, respect, and equality in sport is helping shape future generations of leaders. You embody the true spirit of fair play, teaching by example that success is not just about the scoreboard, but about how we treat each other. Your contribution to building a more just and equitable world through sport cannot be overstated. Thank you for your unwavering commitment to making the world of sport a better place for all. If you haven't yet engaged with the spirit of fair play, now is the time to embrace it. Whether you're an athlete, coach, spectator, or volunteer, we encourage you to integrate these principles into everything you do. Fair play is not just about following rules, it's about cultivating respect, inclusivity, and honesty in all aspects of life. By promoting fair play, you help create a culture where everyone, regardless of background or skill level, has a chance to succeed. Happy World Fair Play Day. Let today remind us all that fairness, respect, and integrity are the true victories in life. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes of telecommunications and information technology. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours. Titus Ogbe Ture. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next, the 20th of May World B Day, the 21st of May World Tea Day. The 21st of May World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.